Imagine a kitchen, but not one you've ever seen before. There's no clatter of dropped pans, no frantic shouting, just a gentle, rhythmic hum. This is the kitchen of the future, a pristine, silent world where culinary chaos is a thing of the past. Forget the stress, the mess, the constant rush. Here, every movement is precise, every ingredient perfectly measured, every dish a masterpiece of automated artistry. Welcome to the robotic revolution, where technology isn't just assisting the chef, it's redefining the very act of cooking. We're about to take a cinematic journey into this world of silent efficiency, contrasting the beautiful, controlled ballet of machines with the familiar, messy reality of a traditional kitchen. What if the heart of the restaurant wasn't a fiery, chaotic furnace, but a calm, calculated engine of perfection? Stay with us as we pull back the curtain on this incredible automated reality. Let's dive into the mechanics of this motion. The stars of the show are these incredible robotic arms. They're not just moving, they're performing a high-speed ballet. Each joint, each pivot, is engineered for unparalleled precision. We're talking about sub-millimeter accuracy, ensuring every slice is identical, every placement exact. Their speed is breathtaking, moving from ingredient station to cooking surface in a fraction of a second. But it's the timing that's truly magical. Multiple arms work in the same space, their paths choreographed to avoid collision, creating a seamless flow of activity. Now look closer. These arms are equipped with an array of sensors, optical, thermal, and weight sensors, that act as their eyes and fingertips. They can identify an ingredient, gauge its temperature, and measure its weight down to the microgram. And see those dispensers? They're not just containers. They are automated vaults of flavor, dispensing spices, oils, and liquids with a precision that no human hand could consistently replicate. This isn't just automation. It's a new form of culinary craftsmanship, built on a foundation of pure mechanical perfection. But this isn't a story about robots replacing humans. It's about a new kind of partnership, a symphony of teamwork built on a unique dialogue between man and machine. Here, the kitchen is a collaborative space. Listen, a human chef, let's call him Chef Leo, is directing his team. He says, Unit 4, increase sear temperature by 5 degrees for the next 3 ribeyes. The robot doesn't just obey, it confirms. A soft chime sounds, and its digital display reads, temperature adjusted. Commencing sear. This isn't just a command, it's a conversation. Now, watch Marcus, the head of plating. He's reviewing a sequence on his tablet. Unit 7, the sauce drizzle is too heavy on the left, he says. The robot's screen instantly shows a simulation, adjusting flow rate to 85%. Resimulating. Marcus studies the new path and nods. Perfect. Save that as signature curved. The robot has learned, adapted, and stored a new creative instruction. This creative feedback loop is happening constantly. The dialogue ensures that human artistry guides the machine's precision. And during the dinner rush, this communication is vital. A robot suddenly announces, its voice calm and clear, Order 42. Risotto requires 20 milliliters additional broth for optimal texture. Proceed. Sarah, the sous chef, glances at her smartwatch and taps it. Approved, Unit 2. Keep an eye on the moisture levels. The system is proactive, using its sensors to identify potential issues and requesting human judgment before acting. It's a safety net that guarantees quality. The collaboration extends to the very end of the line. A robot arm delicately assembles a complex dish, its movements a blur of efficiency. As it places the final component, it announces, plating complete. Chef, the garnish is ready for your touch. Chef Leo steps in, tweezers in hand, to add the final, artistic flourish. He smiles. Thanks, Unit 9. Great timing. This isn't a handover from machine to human. It's the final note in a shared composition. The robots handle the repetition and the heavy lifting, freeing the human chefs to focus on what they do best: creativity, flavor, and the final, personal touch that turns a meal into an experience. This is the future of the kitchen, a seamless dialogue between human ingenuity and mechanical perfection. Now, let's witness this system under pressure. It's 8 p.m. on a Saturday night, peak hour. What you're seeing is a synchronized surge. 20 robotic arms and 5 human specialists move in a blur of hyper-efficient motion. Orders flood the system, each one a complex set of instructions, but there's no panic. There's no yelling. There's only flow. This is the ultimate stress test. The kitchen is handling over 100 complex, multi-course orders simultaneously. Watch as one arm sears a steak to a precise internal temperature, while another perfectly poaches an egg, and a third meticulously plates a delicate dessert. The human specialists aren't cooking, they're conducting. They move through the space like orchestra conductors, overseeing quality, making micro-adjustments on their tablets, and providing the final artistic touches. This isn't just about speed. It's about maintaining flawless consistency at a scale that would be impossible in a traditional kitchen. Every single dish that leaves the pass is identical to the one before it, a perfect replication of the chef's vision, executed with pure mechanical grace. But what happens when the last order is sent out and the lights go down? The work isn't over. This is when the kitchen truly takes care of itself. Welcome to the maintenance ritual. As the human team leaves, the kitchen initiates its self-cleaning cycles. High-pressure jets of steam blast every surface, sanitizing and removing any trace of the night's service. This is followed by a cycle of powerful UV sterilization, ensuring the entire environment is microbiologically pristine, far beyond what traditional cleaning methods can achieve. While the cleaning happens, the system runs its own health checks. Each robotic arm undergoes a nightly calibration and diagnostic routine. Internal sensors monitor joint torque, motor temperature, and pathway accuracy. The system checks for any wear and tear, any slight deviation from its optimal performance parameters. If an anomaly is detected, it flags the specific component for human inspection the next morning. This isn't just cleaning. It's a comprehensive, automated ritual of self-preservation, ensuring the kitchen is not only spotless but perfectly tuned and ready for another day of flawless performance. The secret to handling this incredible volume lies in a concept called parallel cooking. A traditional kitchen works sequentially. One chef works on one or two things at a time. But this kitchen thinks differently. At its core is a multitasking engine that operates like a supercomputer. It's simultaneously managing over 50 different heat zones, each calibrated to a precise temperature. While one station is searing at a high heat, another is gently simmering a delicate sauce, and a third is holding finished components at their ideal serving temperature. The system's software choreographs the path of every single ingredient. It knows exactly when a piece of fish needs to be moved from the sous vide bath to the searing station, and it calculates the most efficient route for the robotic arm to take. But the real magic is the real-time optimization. Thousands of sensors are constantly feeding data back to the central brain. Is the ambient humidity affecting evaporation in a sauce? The system adjusts the heat in milliseconds. Did a steak cook slightly faster than projected? Its resting time is automatically recalculated to ensure perfect doneness. This isn't just cooking multiple things at once. It's a dynamic, intelligent process that is constantly adjusting and perfecting every single element of every dish, all at the same time. And so, as the night concludes, we see the final output of this incredible system. A conveyor belt moves in a slow, steady procession. On it, a line of identical plates, each a perfect mirror of the last. The sauce is drizzled in the exact same pattern, the vegetables are arranged with geometric precision, the protein is cooked to the same exact degree. This is the promise of the robotic kitchen delivered. Absolute consistency, flawless execution, and a level of quality control that was once unimaginable. What happens when these robots start learning from each other, sharing data from kitchens all over the world, and evolving their skills through artificial intelligence? That's the story for part 2. We'll explore the global impact of this revolution and dive into the fascinating world of AI-driven culinary learning. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next.